you, dog.
We're going over here. Some peachy keen. Eric's gonna like that. Oh, that's gross.
That's for Fran.
This is for Fran.
Yeah, high school drink.
That stuff.
Yeah.
What is it?
Peppermint.
It's like getting drunk off toothpaste. It's
yeah, it's gross.
It's like instead of spitting your mouthwash out, just swallow it. It's pretty much.
Yes, that's basically what it is.
These are for Eric.
Some little shotgun shells.
Nice.
Got some Takis. Got some wheels in here.
Yeah, I got tires coming for them. You guys get all the good stuff. Got some jerky.
Oh, nice.
Pork strips. Ooh, spicy.
Dill pickle.
Gotta make sure these get in the fridge. Add these, other than the original.
Oh, there's other flavors?
It's a bunch of weird ones, yeah. This one, they're blue.
What are your options?
Blue Heat? Never had the Blue Jones.
No.
Oh my god, crunchy fajita?
Oh, that sounds nice.
I'm in on that.
Those are good.
Not bad.
I think I like them better than the originals. Eric, I heard you got a beautiful 5-inch intake install going on over here.
Well, you heard wrong, because I'm doing injectors.
Really?
Yeah, you think I'm unplugging all this stuff over here right now to do an intake?
Yeah, yeah. Part of the process. We're just doing injectors and an intake.
Yeah, Garrett.
That sneaky catch can mounted back behind the blower.
Who's it? Who is yapping at? Somebody's yapping out there. Some lady.
Jesus.
You got me so mad.
Matt, you did it to yourself.
Derek, I don't do anything to myself.
This is a great argument this morning. I like what I'm hearing. So Matt, I want to hear out of your mouth, like what exactly did he say?
I got abducted last night. I said, oh yeah?
And just so we're clear, I did hear you guys talking about
I was
this.
trying to be nice this morning. He goes, yeah, my brother and his wife from Westchester, an hour away, picked me up, sent me a Snapchat from outside my house and said, come on, let's go. We're going to Applebee's because she wants all-you-can-eat wings.
So they drove all the way from Westchester just to get wings at Applebee's in fucking Newark, huh?
Just to pick me up. They didn't even know where they wanted to go quite yet.
All the fucking places in Newark, you can get some incredible wings. You go to fucking Applebee's. I'm just so fucking pissed right now. Just leave me alone, please.
This is starting to get out of control.
All the time. You're gonna start calling me your brother.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's probably going to happen soon, if we're being honest.
Eric!
I've only ever had 2 brothers.
Oh, now you only got 2, huh?
Well,
2? I thought you had about 47 spread out across the country.
across the country, yeah, but 2 that actually matter.
Brothers, but they don't count.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
Considering I've never seen or talked to any of them.
I didn't know you needed to see your brother for it to exist.
He is getting aggressive, Garrett. Are you going to call him out or what?
I can't believe how quickly that switch just changed.
Well, what'd I tell you?
You were just talking about it.
Yeah, I know.
Just talking about it. And then it flipped.
I told you it does. It often does, Garrett. You never know what you're dealing with. Just don't. That's why when that whole conversation went down last week, who's the f***ing angriest, really got me going. It's not true.
What size injectors did we switch to? Thousands, I'm assuming.
I don't know exactly. Oh, just like that. 1050s, I would guess.
Oh yeah, 1050s, that's what it is. Do you have to take the fender liner out to install it?
Yeah. At least this front half. And that's got to come out too. This is pretty much trash unless you want to hang on to it up in the customer's trunk. One thing everybody asks us about when installing this intake, I'm going to show you right now. 3 bolts on this horn right here. 1, 2, 3. Take them out. Take all 3 bolts out. To a side, they won't be reused. Grab 1 bolt. Take the horn down on this ear right here. On the last hole to the left. Get it over as far as you can. Up against the, so it's almost against the bumper. And there you go. Just like that.
Gives you a whole lot more room.
Yep, and that's where the intake will come down. Looks like we got a stock throttle body here. guess that's what we're doing. Stop running about it. Check back with me in a bit. I need to cut this coupler. I need to get this intake ready and all that fun stuff.
And if you order one of our intakes on our website, the coupler already cut for you.
Yeah, this thing should be up against here. That's what's the problem. I don't know what he was thinking when he did that. That's not right. In the factory, this clip right here needs to be clipped onto the rail. That's his problem. Now he's got all kinds of shit ran through there, so hopefully it still will go back. Let's find out. This has to be here. Really, because I need to redo all this probably to make it look right, clean. I knew this thing wasn't sitting right. It needs to hug there more. That's like that. Okay, now I just gotta get underneath and put the air filter on, and that's that. Line situated good. There. Now, a mistake we see people make all the time. Push their fucking intakes all the way in here.
Which then means...
Which then means it's basically suffocating.
Yeah. No air.
So, yeah, don't do that. There's a lip in here. Just put it up in there until it's just past our lip on our intake. And that's enough. This a little bit on. Just like that. That's enough. Sucking up all the air, cruising down the road. Now put the fender liner back in, and that's the install. Sure. Damn thing up in here.
This thing was here a little while ago, made like 520 or something. I think it just had like headers or something on it. Yeah, it had headers and a air raid air intake. Just came back, we did our 5-inch intake, ID 1050 X's, and then I guess the customer did a DSX kit, a 255 pulley, and a welded brick. So, let's see what we got. $581, $600. $576, $571, a little warmer obviously. Probably be last pull before we dump some E in it. $580, $578. So on pump gas, I'm gonna actually check trans real fast. I'll just do a 3-4. I think I set up auto upshift. We're about to find out. Yep, 6500, perfect shift. Let's see how much gas in this thing. Yeah, you want to dump all that in? All right, we dumped some E in. It's at 48%. Gonna make another pull. The E wasn't all the way circulated around, and regulator opened up and got a bunch of pump gas in there. That's why it went lean up top. This thing is nice and hot. This will probably be last pull, and then I'll let it cool down because this thing's pretty heat soaked. it cool down. We'll be back. All right, 42% E. It went down a little bit because it cycled some more. We didn't let this thing cool down for that long, like maybe a half hour. So we'll see what it makes. Picked up pretty good actually. 620 and 611. So obviously it was super heat soaked before because I made like, I don't know, 10 poles in 20 minutes probably. Yeah, 622, 612, that's killer because before we did this round of mods, it made 520. That was on pump gas, but still. So it picked up 100 horsepower. Just an air intake and headers. He had a flex fuel sensor, but it didn't have injectors. So we told him it wouldn't work. I'll do a 3/4 shift on E just to check it. It's got a stock, like literally a stock tire on it, so second gear is not gonna work, so I'm not even gonna try it. This thing's really like nice, like it feels good. I wonder how many miles are on it. Sometimes you just get in a car and you can just tell like it's not a pile of shit. That's 33,000 miles. And that's this car. It's nice inside, it's clean, it just feels good, it's not clunky and shitty. It's nice. Owner should be happy. Picked up 100 horsepower on 42% E. So in reality, it could probably pick up a little more with a little more E. But other than that, this thing's done. Later.